Chapter 25 of Fight Club sees the narrator seeking refuge and assistance from Marla Singer due to his escalating fear of Tyler Durden's control over him during his sleep. The underlying panic that Tyler could usurp his consciousness at any moment has led him to a point of desperate vigilance, prompting his visit to Marla's hotel with a plea for help to stay awake. It is a crucial moment that reflects the deepening complexities of his dual existence and his deteriorating grasp on reality. Marla, understanding the gravity of the situation, provides him with pills that would help fend off sleep. In an attempt to keep the narrator occupied and awake, she suggests they go bowling, a place where the societal norm against sleeping will work in their favor. It's a moment of normalcy and distraction against the backdrop of the narrator's chaotic mind. In their conversation, Marla shares anecdotes about her ex-boyfriends, which seems to be her way of engaging and perhaps grounding the narrator in the midst of his crisis. However, her request to go shopping, fueled by her observations of Tyler Durden's mysterious ability to procure free items, hints at her own complex relationship with Tyler, a figure she knows through the narrator but whose darker activities she is only beginning to glimpse her. The narrator's paranoia is palpable throughout the chapter. He suspects that members of Project Mayhem are monitoring his movements, a sign of his increasing alienation from the very organization he helped create. This sense of surveillance hints at the expanding reach and influence of Project Mayhem, embedding itself into the fabric of everyday life. His interaction with the hotel's lobby worker, marked by a recognition of the scars and bruises as indicators of the man being a space monkey, a member of Project Mayhem, further emphasizes the narrator's isolation. It's a stark reminder of Tyler's pervasive influence and the narrator's shrinking safe havens from the world he and Tyler have constructed. Chapter 25 captures a moment of intense vulnerability for the narrator, offset by Marla's presence as a tether to reality, however tenuous that may be. It reflects the escalating stakes in the narrator's fight against Tyler's dominance, the deepening entanglement of Marla in their convoluted relationship, and the omnipresent shadow of Project Mayhem over the narrator's life. It's a chapter that encapsulates the paranoia, disintegration of identity, and the search for salvation amidst chaos that defines Fight Club. And as always, if you like this bookly crash course video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.